In this video, we're going to be walking through how to install door stops. This is for a room that we just put in, and I got to make sure that this door doesn't slam into this wall. I don't really have anything on the bottom, so I'm going to do something up here. And this is what they look like. And the top part right here screws off. That there's a little screw inside, and then this piece right here also comes off. Okay, just like that. So the way this works is you take the screw, and this is how it's gonna be facing the wall. I've already drilled a little pilot hole where I want it to go. So you put the screw through that piece, just like that. And we're going to screw this into the wall. And now I'm gonna come in, you see how there's that little hook right there, and right there. You just put that in there, give it a turn, come in with a little cap. Push that guy on, and now I've got a nice little doorstop.